everyone, welcome to Gordon Guitar. RIC HASSANI. It's a great artist, RIC HASSANI, and we have a new great song from him. So we covered RIC HASSANI before on this channel. My Only Baby is one of those great songs, and also Angel. This time we have My Kind of Woman. So he sings of his woman. So yeah, 4 chords is what it's all about here. One strumming pattern, and I will give you some ending melodies here to round up each and every chord progression. So that's what we're gonna go through here. So let's start with the capo here on the first fret. So capo on the first, and we have first C. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. Next chord will be D minor. So that is open D, second G, third B, and first E. Next chord will be A minor. So open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. And the final chord will be F. So F, you need a bar here on the first fret, and the rest will be third on A, third on D, and second on G. And the bar is covered on all strings there. Forgot to say that, but yeah. That's F, and there you have the chord progression: C, D minor, A minor, and F. All right. So we need to look at the strumming pattern. The C is the first chord, and one round will sound like this. Okay, so it's down, up, mute, or clap. It's fine line in between. You can just mute like this, straight muting, or you can do a short, smaller clap like this. Something like that. Anyway, it's down, up, and in some way you will have to kill the sound a little bit, mute or clap, and then you add a final down on it. So down, up, mute, down, down, up, mute, down, down, up, mute. So one round is like that. All right. So down, up, mute, down. So with that, you will play one strumming round per chord. So that means C, D minor, A minor, F with the strumming will sound like this. That is basically the whole song. It goes like this through the entire song. We had these different endings. I'm gonna show you 2 different endings here. And what that is, it's an ending that finish one chord progression. So instead of playing the final F, you will play this little melody here. So you're gonna play C, D minor, A minor, and as soon as you play the A minor, you go to this 2 different ways of playing the melody here. So the first one will be like this. Okay, so you find the melody here, starting on open E string 3 times. Then 3rd fret B string 2 times. Then 1st fret B string. And 2nd fret G. So slowly. So in a context, it will be like this. From C, so that means when you play the A minor, you play the down, up, mute, or clap. You will skip the last down into that strumming of A minor and start the melody there. So the A minor with an ending melody would be like this. So skip the last down in the A minor and start to play the melody. That was the first one. The second one will sound like this. Okay? So that is open E, third E, 2 times on the 5th E, back to third E, open E, and third B. So slowly. And in a context, it will be in the same way as the first melody. You play the A minor with the down, up, clap, or mute, and then you start the melody. So with the chord progression starting from C, it will sound like this. And then you just continue. And so on. So that pretty much covers My Kind of Woman by RIC HASSANI. So good luck with this one, guys. A great, great song. And yeah, play tuned.